guys, welcome back to my Epic Munchies. I'm just popping my camera somewhere, but yeah, sorry, half my head's cut off. I've got a drink, and we're gonna eat something to eat. I'm gonna have something to eat, because why not? In the background, I just got Big Bang Theory, so we have got seaweed salad, and we have got. Thing about with this, I don't give you any like soy sauce. Oh, there is the sauce. Is there soy sauce in here? We got this. This is called kukuru, but I want to eat my seaweed salad first. I always eat the seaweed salad first because that's nice. I don't have any chopsticks, so I'm just going to do my cutlery and like a fork. I know people don't like me using a fork, but you know what? I don't care. It is 12:15 and I'm hungry. That's where I got it from. I got it online, but I hate doing it online because basically when I do it online, people can't find where I live, and it's annoying. So this is the seaweed salad. Oh my god, that just looks amazing. I love it. I'm telling you, this tastes so good. I want to sushi because I haven't had sushi in a while, so I'm like, doing sushi. So how have you guys been? I've been doing shorts on my main channel, so if you want to check out the makeup that I've been wearing, go to my main YouTube channel, which is Shining Knob, and go to shorts or reels, whatever you want to call it, and it's there, and it's even on Instagram and on Facebook and on TikTok. TikTok is Shining Knob, Instagram is Shining Knob, and my Facebook is Shining Knob. It's really nice. Okay, it's so good. This salad is just so good. I love the crunch to it. I love it. It just tastes really good. So good. Look at that. Look at that. That is so good. Yeah, as I'm watching Big Bang Theory, where Howard gets the robot to chuck a baseball, but it don't work. Or it chucks it, it's not very far. Saturday, I'm going to a wedding in the evening. Like a wedding reception, I don't care. But yeah. So good. I was married to spill something down me. Like it was on the white things though. I've got to see if this is my top on. I know it's so good. My god. That sea salad is so good. Don't want to eat that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I've got sea salad in here. So this is the Coco Deluxe Sushi set. Oh my god, there's soy sauce. There's so much in here. Oh my god. Oh, and they have soy sauce in here. Sometimes the soy sauce you can't actually, sometimes you can't open. I should give you chopsticks though. Just to put it in with my wasabi. Because I like it in with my wasabi. So, we've got some salmon, some tuna, some salmon martini on top. Oh, what is that? Got some seaweed. Just gonna mix up stuff. Just gonna take some of this wasabi and pop it onto some stuff as well. I love me some wasabi. I'm just mixing in with the soy sauce as well, because I do like that. And I'm gonna put some ginger. Oh my god, this is like fresh ginger. Oh my god, I love fresh ginger. It's so good. Like, I can eat this so many times, and it's gonna be so delicious. Like, I love it so much. It's so good. Ginger is so good. If you haven't tried ginger, you should try some, because it's really nice and delicious. Does have a kick and spiciness, but if you don't like it, it's fine. I've got some lemon. I'm ready to put some lemon juice on top. Oh my god. I'm gonna get some sashimi and put that in there. I'm telling you, this is delicious. It's so good. You get like a little grass thing. Oh my god, we've got some salad here as well. I don't have any chopsticks, so it's all hands food. All pick up with my hands. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Let's go. Oh, chicken. That's actually nice. It's chicken cucumber in here. And it's actually gorgeous. Like that. It's actually really nice. The stuff is a bit hot, but actually really nice. Got another little seaweed. Love seaweed. It's so good. So yeah, going to a wedding tomorrow. Excited about that. I hope. What kind of plans you got, guys? Hope you got good plans. I love salmon. Good salad as well. But yeah. So I love salad. And this is the other one I'm having. And there's like cheese in there. Get that out. Put cheese in there. I think there's a little bit of cucumber now. Definitely not cream cheese. I'm gonna do it. Take some of this soy sauce and put it all over. It's thick, but I don't care how thick it is, because it's good, if you know what I mean. That's really good. Let me just take that. Oh my god, yeah. Salmon's really good. Like, it's really nice. Yeah. I love eating. Look, even though I'm on a weight loss diet, this is full of carbs. I don't care. Because of the rice. It was actually really good. It's actually really nice. Clean the ginger with this like chicken and avocado. Mmm. Mmm. That crunchy chicken with the avocado is so good. Like it's chicken but it's crispy. That's really nice. And got some tuna. I'm not a big fan. I like tuna, but I don't know. I don't know if I've ever tried it with this. Probably have. That's actually really nice. That's good. I'm getting full because sushi actually makes me full. Like other stuff does, and not as much as sushi. Sorry, sushi does make me full. Mhm. Mhm. We got some prawn. Mhm. Mmm. And some of the sushi and seaweed. Mmm. Man, this is so good. I haven't tried seaweed. Try it. Mmm. Mhm. I'm gonna have seaweed. Mmm. Mmm. And got some crab sticks with avocado and stuff. Mmm. Mmm. Sorry, that was so much wasabi. Look at my eyes are even watering because there's so much wasabi that I had on there. Bloody yeah, that was a lot of wasabi. Yes, what this scoop I made. Mhm. That was really nice. Not holy crap. Wasabi's so strong. I love wasabi though. It's so good though. It's really nice. What I do love is I love dill pickles. Dill pickles. You guys in America call them pickles, like overseas you call them pickles. Don't know, I call them gherkins. But I got this tip from Jack in the Hill where she drinks the pickle juice, like the gherkin juice, and I've done that. And I want to get really drunk one night and then do a dill pickle shot. It's supposed to be really good and it doesn't get you hangover apparently. Mmm. It smells so good. It's so nice. Do you know what it's really nice? I'm always filming. I almost got 2 more of these. No, I'll have for one more. Because I saved the best for last. And oh yeah. It is a salmon, avocado, and I think mayo. I think they're cucumber. I hope you guys are doing well. Sorry that this is kind of quick, but do you know what? I don't care because I love sushi. And if you guys love sushi, please let me know if you love sushi as well because I absolutely love it. Well, I'm going to the gym tomorrow. I keep forgetting. I keep going to bed late because I've been playing Sims a lot. Look at that, guys. Look at it. Look at that, guys. It's so nice and so good, and the ginger's even on top. Mmm. Let me tell you, if you're not putting the whole sushi muffin in it, how do you eat sushi like little bites? That was delicious. That was my lunch because I didn't have any breakfast in the morning. But that was my lunch, and it was so good. Like, I enjoyed my lunch so much. Like, if you love sushi, please let me know if you love sushi, because I love sushi. It is a sushi world. It doesn't have Big Bang Theory on the thing. I did turn it down really low, like it's on volume 3, so there is though. But had some sushi, doing shorts on my makeup channel and on my social medias. The sushi was so nice. So yeah, that was me eating sushi, guys. Please let me know if you'd like to see more mukbangs with me and everything. There's not a lot because I'm trying to lose weight, and with sushi it is carby, but it's got like fish and everything. It's so good, and the seaweed is so good. So I had to put oil into my pound to see how many calories I had, but it was so good. Yeah, hope you do like this video. Please give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll speak to you guys in my next video. Bye.